on, man? It's your boy Zook 1441. Y'all know me from Psycho Bike. Drake, where you at? I've been out here since yesterday, man. 4 o'clock in the morning out here, man. Where you at? We waiting on you. I'm ready to go. Let's get it. You talked all that shit, and you ain't out here. But we knew you weren't coming. But it don't matter. Let's get it. Boost the bike.
Let's do it.
We waiting on you.
Get some of this goon, boy.
Let's get it. Let's get it. I want to see what Suzuki City talking about. See what you building so fast. But you probably ain't building that because you on the internet.
Check me out right here, yo. Need to turn the track up a little bit for me. All up in my ears. The mic is loud, but the music is loud. Yeah. Yeah. Now the mic is low now. Turn the mic up a little
on your ass. As soon as you get your shit back, you can stage up with your back tire.
What happened to the brake?
I ain't say nothing about the brake. Okay. You can stage up with the back tire. You got all that you want, sir.
You heard this.
Yo, what up, man?
It's real simple. That's the only choice.
I want to race you. I want to race you real fucking bad.
Okay,
okay then.
Choices are in the right lane.
Yes, sir.